orange, pink, green and white. But guess what? They are all the same powerful dishwashing liquid. I made this crystal clear powerful soap using just 3 ingredients, and look at these colors. This is my transparent dishwashing liquid made with a mix of 50% store-bought Texapon Gel and 50% homemade Texapon for my last video. I used 3 main ingredients: Texapon Gel store plus homemade mix, SLS for extra foam, salt for thickening. I also added love fragrance for a fresh scent and German plus preservative to make it last longer. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Without wasting time, let's dive into today's tutorial. I measured out my water, which is 7 liters of water. Out of that 7 liters of water, I used 2 liters to dissolve my sodium lauryl sulfate SLS. I turn it, after dissolving my sodium lauryl sulfate, I turn it for a little while and I set it aside. I combine my homemade Texapon Gel 50% and store-bought own 50%. I combine them together and I pour it inside the remaining 5 liters of water. I stir it for a while. I set it aside. If you haven't watched my last video on how to make thick Texapon Gel at home, do well to watch it. I'll be dropping the link of the video here so that you can watch it in order to understand how we made this homemade thick Texapon Gel. If you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and share this video to someone who wants to learn how to make soap. Thank you. At this stage, I slowly add salt bit by bit inside the water and Texapon Gel mixture. This is exactly what I'm doing at this stage. Adding the salt, checking the thickness, because if you add excess salt, it will turn to water. So when you are adding salt, you add it bit by bit. You know, salt is acting as a thickener in this particular production, so you don't need to rush adding of salt, because the amount of salt I use may be different depending on the kind of water you are using. So that is why you are careful when you are adding salt. You will be adding it and be checking the consistency. When you get to the consistency you desire, you stop. I will be dropping the recipe of this production at the end of the video. Do well not to skip any parts. At this stage, our SLS is fully dissolved. It is now time to combine it with the other mixture. I gently combine my Texapon blends and then added SLS to boost the cleaning power. And I started stirring it. You can see the consistency from this video is getting thicker. I keep stirring it and I stir it for a while and I set it aside. This is me checking the soap after close to 3 hours. At this stage, the soap is getting clearer, but I covered it and kept it for the next 24 hours. After 24 hours, I transferred my soap inside a mixing bowl to make it easier for recording. Just wow! Look at how clear and beautiful this came out. No cloudiness, just pure transparency. At this stage, I added my fragrance, and I used love fragrance, by the way, and my preservative. I'm sorry, I didn't know that the camera didn't capture when I added the preservative. I used German plus preservative to preserve our product from going bad. Viscosity check, transparency check, fragrance check. The love fragrance came out so well. It smells so nice. At this stage, it is now time to add color, and I decided to play with colors on this soap. So I divided the soap into 4 parts. I added orange color to one part, pink to the next part, green color to the last part, and I left one part uncolored. And boom, our soap is ready. Think this simple soap can really foam. Watch this. One soap serving two different purposes. I intentionally use a plate that has oil on it. Just small amount, foam start building. Look at that rich ladder already. Thick foam, strong action, cut through grease fast. Clean dishes, clean profits. This simple three ingredients dishwashing liquid isn't just for your kitchen. It's a smart home business idea too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more easy money making recipes. Always be good to one another. Anticipate my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.